know that. No one explained that.
Yeah.
Thank
Before,
you.
when I got laid off, my previous job when I was working in the airport,
Yeah.
I just filed for unemployment.
Yes.
I don't even work
And I recommend you to see the video and then you put everything in the box
In 1 year,
and you're gonna taste more like this.
Oh, so we will pour everything in here.
Sip a little bit first and then you put everything in the box
Oh.
and then you pour back in the glass. So you can taste like
I see. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Ayan, tapos itapon mo sa loob. Okay. Tapos babalik mo, yeah. Here.
babalik.
Babalik na daw.